Hey there, Kindle Fire users. Frustrated with your device's unresponsive display? Let's dive into how to fix Kindle Fire touchscreen issues, ensuring you can get back to enjoying your favorite ebooks and apps without a hitch. In this guide, we'll navigate through some practical solutions to restore your Kindle Fire's touchscreen functionality and make your reading experience seamless. Step 1. Reboot your device. Often, a simple restart can resolve minor glitches with your Kindle Fire's touchscreen. To reboot, hold down the power button for about 40 seconds until the device turns off and back on. Allow it to reboot fully and check if the touchscreen is now responsive. This action can clear temporary software hiccups impacting screen sensitivity. Step 2. Check for system updates. A dated operating system might be responsible for your touchscreen woes. Navigate to Settings, Device Options, System Updates to ensure your Kindle Fire is running the latest version. If an update is available, download and install it. Updates often fix bugs and enhance device performance, potentially resolving any touch-related issues. Step 3. Test in safe mode. Booting your Kindle Fire in safe mode can help determine if a third-party app is causing the problem. Turn off your device completely. As you power it back on, hold the volume down button until the Kindle Fire logo appears and the device enters safe mode. Test the touchscreen functionality. If it works, a recently installed app might be culprit. Uninstall any suspicious apps and restart your device normally. Step 4. Calibrate the touchscreen. Calibration helps to align touch input with their output. While not a direct setting on Kindle Fires, you can use screen calibration apps from Amazon's App Store. Search for a trusted calibration app, follow the on-screen process, and see if the issue resolves. Remember, only download apps from trusted developers to maintain security. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If problems persist, a factory reset might be necessary, but this should be a last resort since it erases all data on your device. Back up important content first. To perform a reset, go to Settings, Device Options, Reset to Factory Defaults. Follow the prompts and wait for the device to reboot. After resetting, verify whether the touchscreen works effectively. Fixing a Kindle Fire touchscreen doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, rebooting, updating your system, using safe mode, calibrating the screen, and possibly resetting to factory settings, you can potentially resolve the issues affecting your device's responsiveness. Always back up your data before performing a factory reset, and consider reaching out to Amazon support if problems persist. Reignite your reading adventures with a fully functional touchscreen. Happy reading.